Yep, I just got it too. I had not been filled on love, guys. I just got it as well on that little move down, so that's perfect. We will definitely manage the balance of our position now. iRobot with a nice move up. All right, let's take a look, guys, at Starbucks because we have a long option here. We have the May 3rd, this week, 78 call that we got to figure out what to do. Okay, and that thing's trading about 40 cents right now. At this point, I don't think we're going to do anything. Let's see what happens with Starbucks here. If we can get a follow through to what was the end of the day on Friday.